the particle count on the last run was slightly elevated here.
Yes, the deposition rate seems stable now, though.
Check the exposure levels on sector 3. The uniformity seems slightly off.
Adjusting the power now, let's see if that stabilizes the pattern.
We need to adjust the flow rate on the next cycle.
Confirmed. I'll update the parameters now.
Check the overlay measurements on the edge die. There's a slight deviation.
Yeah, I see that. It's within the process window, but let's monitor the next run.
The particle count in zone 4 is slightly elevated.
Let's run a diagnostic on the filtration system before the next batch. Inside the ALD reactor, sequential pulses of precursor gases create ultra-thin, highly uniform layers on the wafer surface.
The automated probe station meticulously checks the electrical conductivity of each die on the wafer.
Keep an eye on the temperature in bay 3. It's fluctuating slightly.
Understood. Monitoring closely.